We have a mic. One, two, three, everybody scream. I really saw the color. Happy birthday, my love. I hope this bag reflects how elegant and beautiful you are. I love you always. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to unbox some of the gifts that my friends got me because another one that I know of is still on the way, right? So I'm just here to unbox them because I had an outreach like a few days ago and my friends really contributed to it. So I was really like, oh, I think that's my birthday gift, right? So to still have gotten some things as gift for my birthday, I'm so happy and I just want to unbox. I already have a feeling of what's inside some of them, right? So let's unbox. So my friend Ariola gave me this bag on Sunday. I know that it's a bag that is inside this one because it looks like the bag she got me for my birthday last year. She got me a black bag and I think I did a video of that as well. So go and check it out. And it's from the same brand. And I already know the color. Even I was thinking that what color is it because I already saw that she deserved it. Because I did a wish list something. I think I'll just put it up here. Right. I don't know what color it is, but like, you know, wine, burgundy, they look all the same, right? And I have a shoe that I've been looking for a bag for. So I was like, God, I pray that this person just gets the color of the shoe so I can match it with the shoe whenever I get the bag. And it's from Ageless Bags, the same place she got me the black one from, and I'm still using it till today. Very solid, and I got it, and I get a lot of compliments. Oh my gosh! Oh my days! This is pretty. This is so perfect for each other. Like, this is just, I think, sharper. This is sharper at this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. What? You can't tell me anything. I'm sure the camera is not showing the quality of this bag. Like, so pretty. There's a note, but I don't know if it's from her personally or sorry. Bekele of Lagos and the Globe. Happy birthday, my love. I hope this bag reflects how elegant and beautiful you are. I love you always. I love you too, my darling. Thank you so much. Let's see what next we have in this bag. I love Ari for details. Like, so when I did this wishlist thing, there's a brand I put there for like sweatshirts. No, she sells like all the street nice tops, sweatshirts and all the likes, and I really want to order from my exact because I just added links of where they can get it from. Not exactly, not like they have to get it there. Oh, Ariola Kikbade. I think I used a picture, right, to also demonstrate. I used a picture to also demonstrate the sweatshirt, and she got, oh my gosh, how many boosters are we giving this girl? Oh my god, so pretty. Wow. Oh, Ari, thank you. The last thing in that bag is a Chin Chin, a brand. I hope you guys can see it. Reels bites the world. This Chin Chin, I said it last time, I'm not exaggerating. There was a time I bought up to 5, and I was supposed to eat that for 2 weeks, so I did it for 1 week, because I'm on a fitness journey. I'm like, I won't buy from you again in a while, because I can be addicted to this thing. Like, it's so nice. I'm not exaggerating, but honestly, trust me. Order from my friend, okay, please. If this is the way to say thank you to her, please. Thank you. Now to the next one. My colleague gave me this. And this is just to tell you that even if you give me pen, I would really appreciate it. This is not the first time she's buying this for me. So the first time she gave me, I think she just had it and she just shared with me. And I ate it and I'm like, what? I want like 10 of these. The next time she brought 5 for me. Right? I didn't say 10 exactly. I'm like, you know when you say, give me 44 of this right now. That's what I said. And next day she bought 5 for me for free. Right? And when I went to Ibadan, I saw it. I also bought 5. If I knew, I bought like one pack. And then I came back to Lagos again because she said she only knows one person that sells it and the person doesn't even have like that. So anytime she has like this My colleague will buy it for me, and she bought this again on Monday for me. I'm just like, what? I really do appreciate it. And to the last one. 1, 2, 3, everybody scream. We have a mic. I had one, but I took it to party with Oloria B and somebody stole it. Because my friend also brought it for me when she came from the UK. Please, Lord, let your hands be upon this. Nothing will happen to this. No evil. The eyes of the evil will not see this. Oh my gosh. Let's unbox. The day Femaya gave me this thing, we went out with Ariola as well, and I'm going to put my reaction video when I saw the mic. I did not think it was the camera. I knew it was the mic, and I was still shocked because I'm like, which microphone type did I even put there? Was all those other ones? I'm just like, this one. Stop it! You must be joking.
Yeah, open your eyes.
Oh my god.
You were outside now.
Hey, nah, this is.
Oh my god.
I didn't know what to do.
So nice.
No, I'm not being surprised.
Nah.
Because I mean, I appreciate your gift too. Like, I swear, I'm surprised by your gift. You are just saying that.
It's fine. No, even me too. I'm actually surprised.
What the?
No, I hope you do.
Well, guys, Ifemaya, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I've been turning it upside down. But yeah, look at the material. Well, that's all for now. My friends actually getting me sneakers. So I ordered it myself, but I don't think they responded to me. So it was like, that was sneakers or heels. Oh yeah, that might be the other thing coming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye.